months of July to August 2018-19. This is connected with what I am going to speak about. Respected teachers and my beloved friends, a very warm welcome to one and all. Today, we are here in front of you to deliver a few words on tree plantation is a need of the hour. I would like to start with a famous quote from Warren Buffett. Someone is sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. Tree plantation offers numerous benefits to the mankind, and we all are well aware about this. We also know that a little effort made by each one of us can make a huge difference in the overall environment on Earth. A famous quote: imagine if tree gives off Wi-Fi signals, we would be planting so many trees. We would probably save the planet. Too bad they only produce oxygen we breathe. It is so sad how we have grown so accustomed to technology that we overlook the harmful impact it is having on our environment. More and more trees must be planted if we really want to survive and lead a good life. Besides exhaling oxygen and inhaling carbon dioxide, trees also absorb other harmful gases from the surrounding, thus making the air pure and fresher. Trees and forests are the habitat for many birds and animal species. The root of the trees plays an important part to prevent soil erosion. Plantation of trees conserves water, climate control, provides food, shelter, shade, etc. Tree plantation is also done for landscape, forestry, and land reclamation. We must stop deforestation, and on the other hand, need for urbanization has increased. Nowadays, trees and forests are being turned into industrial areas and residential places. And it is the best and easiest way to beautify a surrounding by spreading greenery. Biodiversity is extremely essential for maintaining the ecological balance in the nature. We have a lot of non-profit organizations like NGOs, Save Green, Grow Trees, Green Life, etc. and government organizations that promote tree plantation. Let me remember a quote from Victor Hugo. You may not plant a million of trees, but if you can take care of one single tree with love and care, that will make you great. Before I conclude, let me remind you the Wangiri Matai's words. Until you dig a hole, plant a tree, water it, and make it survive. You haven't done a thing. You are just talking. Now, my dear friends, it is the time that we must recognize the importance of tree plantation and contribute towards the same. But how many of us are really involved in planting trees? It is a time for you to take it up seriously and come forward to save our earth and make our planet a better place to live. Thank you.
If you like our channel, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel,
and press the bell icon near the subscribe button to get more information and updates on our new videos and